How do I fix sound bar volume fluctuation?
Hello there. If you're facing issues with your soundbar's volume fluctuating randomly, you're at the right place. In this guide, we're going to walk you through the steps to identify and rectify the problem. Let's dive in.
Understanding the issue.
Volume fluctuation in a soundbar can be due to multiple reasons. It could be a problem with your source device, the soundbar itself, or even the cable you're using. It's crucial to identify the source of the problem before proceeding with the solutions.
Checking the source device.
Firstly, test your soundbar with different devices to check if the problem persists. If the fluctuation occurs only with a specific device, the issue could be with that device and not the soundbar. If the problem is with a specific device, check the sound settings on that device. It's possible that a setting like auto volume, volume leveling, or night mode could be causing the fluctuations. These settings aim to keep volume levels consistent but can sometimes result in undesired fluctuations. Turn off these settings and check if the problem is resolved.
Checking the soundbar.
If the volume fluctuation occurs irrespective of the device used, the issue might be with the soundbar. Check for any similar settings in your soundbar like the ones we checked in the source device, and turn them off. Also, reset your soundbar to its factory settings. This will erase any problematic settings that might have been changed inadvertently. The method to reset varies from model to model, so you should consult your soundbar's user manual for accurate instructions.
Checking the cable.
If the problem persists, check the cable connecting your device and soundbar. Sometimes, a damaged or loose cable can cause volume fluctuations. Try replacing it with a new one and see if the problem is resolved. Hopefully, by now, you should have been able to identify and resolve the issue with your soundbar's volume fluctuation. If none of these solutions work, it might be a more complex problem that requires professional attention. Remember, when in doubt, consult your product's user manual or reach out to customer support. Thank you for watching, and happy troubleshooting!